So welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a layer in Photoshop like a pro. Okay, the first approach is actually to select your layer, go to edit and hit copy, then go to edit again and hit paste. Okay, this is going to do the normal copy and paste. Then the shortcut for that, which is actually the number 2, is actually to Ctrl C, Ctrl V on your keyboard. Okay, so that's the second way. Then the third way is actually to do Ctrl C, then Ctrl Shift V. Okay, this is going to paste in place. In other words, wherever your layer is, it's going to copy that layer and it's going to paste it on that layer. Okay, then we have this here, so when you drag it out now, it's going to be 2 layers. Okay, so let's delete that again. So the fourth step is actually to use the Ctrl J. Ctrl J is one of the most popular way that you can just do. Instead of making Ctrl C then Ctrl Shift V, which paste in place, once you hit Ctrl J, it's going to copy the layer and paste in place. Okay, now once you drag this out, then you can see that there are actually 2 layers there. Okay, let's delete this again. And the fifth one is actually to hold the Alt key, then use your mouse, immediately hit the Alt key. You can see that your arrow have 2 arrows with the black and white at the same time. Now when you hit and drag that layer, is going to make that a duplicate of that layer. Okay, that's the 5th one. But there is a 6th one which I didn't tell you about before. I actually said 5 way you can duplicate layer in Photoshop, but it's actually 6. Now the 6th one is solely on your keyboard. So when you hold the Alt key, just hit any of the directional arrows. You can hit down, it's going to duplicate that layer and it's going to paste in place too. So if you separate this, now we have this here. Okay, so when you hit any directional layer, it's just going to anyone without left, right, up, down. It's just going to be duplicating. I've hit this multiple times, so we have multiple layers here. So I can delete all of this. And no, I don't want to delete everything, but that's how you actually make duplicates in Photoshop. It's a shortcut that you can explore and use in your workflow. So thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. You can like the video and share to anybody that you think will need this. So if you're on Instagram, you can follow me on gravid.design, GRAVID then design, DESIGN. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.